So the MacBook Air has been one of the most popular laptops out there, and this is because we get to operate the macOS, that too in a normal price. But this was the case with the MacBook Air 2017 model, as it has been tremendously popular all over the world, maybe because of its features and its beautiful design. But last year Apple introduced its 2018 model MacBook Air with some new changes. So today I'll tell you 5 reasons why you should buy the old MacBook Air 2017 model instead of the 2018 model even in 2019. By the way, I've already made this video in Hindi language, but many of you were not from India and I got many comments regarding the language of this video that it was not understandable to many people. So I decided to make the same video in English. And now without any further delay, what is up everyone, this is Jay from TECH-iELA and let's get right into it. So price is the most important factor, therefore it comes first on the list. So this 2017 model is priced at $999, whereas the 2018 model is still priced at $1,200. So is it worth it to pay $200 more to buy the new MacBook Air 2018? Well, let's find out by having a look at 4 more reasons why you should buy the 2017 model. Now the second reason why you should prefer this 2017 model is its brightness. Now we all know that Apple offers us with a new Retina display in the 2018 model, which is a really good improvement, but there's a downfall to it. The brightness of the 2018 model is very less as compared to this model 2017. Yes, you heard it right. The brightness of this 2017 model is 458 nits, whereas the 2018 model comes with just 234 nits, which is around half of it. So it becomes quite difficult for you to work in the outdoors in the new MacBook Air 2018. Now the third reason that comes on the list is the glowing Apple logo. Apple has been quite different from all other laptop companies out there. A MacBook has always been known for its glowing Apple logo from past so many years, but in the new MacBook Air, the glowing logo has also gone. So all in all, this means that this 2017 model MacBook Air is the last one that comes with this glowing Apple logo. So Apple did a new innovation with the MacBook Pro by adding a butterfly keyboard instead of the normal chiclet keyboard. In this new keyboard, the keys are not actually pressed. Instead, they give us a tactile feedback which feels like the key has been pressed. Now this new keyboard mechanism was not liked by lots of people because the keys automatically gets pressed even when we touch them. And many people had also complained about this keyboard that it got broke very soon. But in spite of knowing all this, Apple had put its butterfly keyboard in the new Air, which was very disappointing for lots of people. And this was the main reason why people didn't like the new MacBook Air at all. So in the new MacBook Air, there's no USB Type A ports where you can connect your external hard disks or pen drive. There's no SD card slot. There's no audio jack where you can connect your earphones. Instead, there are just 2 USB Type C ports, which they also call the Thunderbolt 3 port. So now if you want to connect an external device to your MacBook, first of all you'll have to buy an adapter for it, which will help you to connect all sorts of devices like the external hard disks or pen drive, etc. But this isn't actually a great solution for it, because this increases the overall cost of the laptop and it's quite difficult to always carry an adapter with you. So this also became one of the main reasons not to prefer the 2018 Air. So now let's sum up all the reasons why you should prefer this one instead of the new model. The first is its price. The price of the new one is a lot more than the previous one, which is not even worth it. Secondly, brightness of this 2017 model is double of the 2018. Thirdly, if the new MacBook Air doesn't come with a glowing Apple logo, then the keyboard you find in this one is a lot more comfortable than you find in the new one. And lastly, you find all the IO ports in this old MacBook Air which doesn't come in the new one. So on the whole, the MacBook Air 2017 is a lot better than the 2018 model. So these were the 5 reasons why I myself bought the MacBook Air 2017 from the Apple store, and I got it for $70,000, that is around $1,000. But now you can get it for even less. So if you're getting a good deal on it, do buy it. And if you found the video helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel because I get motivated when you hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.